Yo yo yo, what's up guys? Today is the 9th of January 2026, and as you can see, your brother is back with a win and with execution, right? With execution. So no one can say shit, cause I take it. So. As you can see, I took the trade during the end of Asia session, pre-market of London, and start of London, right? Then I took another trade, but didn't enter because I was working and my boss was with me, so I didn't had a chance to like enter the trade. But so let's start with this. No. So let's remove this and let's start to see the P&L of today. Today we made $561 with one trade, and the trade, as you can see, is this one. As I reported here, it was long. I took, fuck, is a little bit lagging. Okay, I took long and yeah, took profits on the way up. But let's go and see the trade. So let's start with the 4-hour time frame, and don't don't give a fuck about this leg. Is current price. I don't have the replay mode, so I have to I have to do like this. I'm sorry. So let's remove this. So at this time, let's go into 1 hour. Maybe it's better. Yeah. On this time, here, we were having fuck. Okay, we were having this as buy side liquidity and this as internal sell liquidity. Let me remove this because it's not useful right now. And we had this as a side liquidity, right? This one. This was the most external side liquidity, and this was the internal side liquidity. Um, Scale down to 30 minute. What I saw was that we inverted this 30-minute gap. So with this candle, we inverted this 30-minute gap, and what we see here, we have a 30-minute low, 30 m low inside what? Inside in gap, right? Inside of a gap. This was our intermediate low inside of a gap, which is a high like conviction draw liquidity. So what I did was, so in the 15 minute, we took out, as you can see, in the 5 minutes, sorry, we took out this intermediate low inside of a gap, and we put an SMT with ES because at that time this was 3:10 a.m. my time. Let's go and see what where is here. 3:10 a.m. my time. This 2:35, 3 a.m. What the fuck is 3 a.m.? Here, this low on here. This low on Nasdaq is not be taken, but in ES, as you can see, we took it. And the particular shit about this trade is, as you can see, candles respected this low. So in my opinion, I was thinking about, yeah, okay, we swept this low, but at the same time we are respecting this low. So shit. So maybe we don't want to go lower because we are like swooping it. We are not closing below, retrace and go lower. So I said, okay, let me see what my drawn liquidity could be higher, and I look higher. In the higher time frame, we have a model inside of what? Inside of a model, right? So I could take this trade till here because my conviction was high, but at the same time, I was on my way to work and I didn't had that much time to manage my trade. So I said, okay, this is a good almost 4 hour, and yeah, I decided to close everything full TP here. In my idea, full TP was or this one or this one, but like I said, I wasn't having too much time to see maybe even a sweep inside of this 5 minute gap, so I said like, nah, I don't want to take risk, and risk might be E. So I said like, okay, let's close full TP right there. As you can see here, we have a 30-minute gap. This one, a 30-minute bullish gap, and a 30-minute inverse bullish gap. So basically, we are inside a BPR, right? And we took out this 30-minute low. We put an SMT with ES, with Nasdaq being the leading the index, right? So I was here after the SMT, and after the inversion on the, what is that? After the inversion of this 1 minute gap here, because we went down, retraced back, made this gap here, then sweep again the low, and had a strong push higher. So I said like, okay, no problem, dog. I want to take this. I want to try to take this. I risked 500, and as you can see, we back, kind of back, of course. Today we made around 561, so okay, it's good. I'm good, and I feel good. And we back, so this account is not blown, even if yesterday I lost more or less 1,000, bro. What the fuck my head was saying that time. For real, dog, for real. And yeah, this is the trade that I took in pre-market of London session. Then I will hit full TP here on this buy side liquidity right there. Then time flies. Today was NFP, I think. Let me see. Oh, okay, we have employment rate. We have non-farm employment change. So I said like, okay, I might not trade New York session for sure. So I looked up on London session. Then not a trade here. Let's analyze this trade. This is the kind of Mac model PB trading shit. So we were inside of high time frame PD array, which was this hourly gap here. This one, you see this hourly gap. Same shit with this 30-minute low. This, what it is, this is a 1 hour intermediate low inside of what? Inside of high time frame PD array. So it's a strong draw on liquidity. As soon as we get to this draw on liquidity, what I look for an SMT, which makes my setup A plus, and I look for some 5 or 15 minute gap to be rebalanced, right? So what I looked here, okay, we close bearish here, put in an SMT. I look for the highest time frame gap, which was this 5 minute. As this candle, I would enter off of this. Here, this 5 minute, I will put my break even, stop loss to break even, and unfortunately, I would be stopped out right there with a really small profit. Yeah, really small profit. So I would probably put my stop loss here at break even at this 5 minute for sure. And last TP was this 1 hour gap that we can see here. What is it? Here, this 1 hour gap, this big imbalance right there. We tapped it and we go higher. So pretty strong day, if I can say. Pretty happy about this trading day. If I had a chance, I would take it. But like for my boss coming over to my desktop, to my desk, you see, uh, I didn't risk. I didn't risk to take this trade. So this week, we close with a total of negative 1.3k. No problem. I feel great with the strategy because it's really intuitive, and yeah, so pretty happy today. Pretty sure I'm really happy. I need to journal the trade from yesterday because I didn't, and yeah, will be a mess. We'll be down 1.3k, but no problem. And yeah, really happy. Hopes next week we can have better price action, and from the next week I'm gonna start trading London session too, because London session my time is 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. and I don't leave until 9:30 to go job, so I have more like opportunity to take a trade instead of at a PM session, my PM session, so New York session, because I'm in the office and sometimes I'm not inside of the office, but I'm outside to some clients. So yeah, so that's it. This is the end of the first week. I want to try to be consistent every day, make videos about my strategy, about all my trades, trade recap, and hope to buy as soon as possible some prop challenge and pass to get funded luckily. And yeah, feel great guys, feel great. 2026. So let's write it here in a blue color, and we type 2026 gonna be my here 100%, under fucking percent. I'm not gonna be lacking. Okay, below this beautiful execution right there, damn, 3.56 R, really good trade. Okay guys, last things, I'm really grateful for this life. I'm really grateful about everything that it comes up to my life, this opportunity to learn trading and to try to make money with trading. Okay, so for this week is whole, I'm gonna journal this day, and then I'm gonna head to gym because I have to gym. Here is 7:35 p.m. so kind of late. And yeah, thank you so much guys for tuning in. Hope you like my content. Hope you like whatever I do. Hope you understand my language because I think it's pretty rusty. And yeah, thank you so much guys. See you next time, dog.